Okay, I'm filming.
Hi. You gonna film the shop? Temporary shop.
Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. What is it? What day is today?
September 16th.
September 16th. And it's cold and rainy and dark. And we have finished, we've decided that we've finished our work upstairs on the ceiling and chinking and everything that we think we can do up there. So the next thing was to clean out the garage, which is going to be the workshop, and reorganize that, and we've done that today to a certain degree. We've improved it a great deal, and then I will move this temporary shop here from the living room down to the future workshop, and just sort of set something up while I decide exactly how to really build it properly. But at least we can get the tools consolidated in their eventual home, and then we can take down this forest of columns and the temporary second floor. And actually, once we do that, we'll be able to finish the stucco on the ceiling, on the chimney, and install the ash door, which we're looking at right there, and then we can have a fire. But I just wanted to take a quick video because I'm not sure I ever really documented the workshop, which is nothing special, but I kind of grew to love it in the short time that it existed this year. It worked really well, and I've always wanted a workshop, and this was the first time I ever had a taste of one, and it was quite great. Anyway, so my daughters Henny was asking for footage of it, so that's another reason I'm doing it. She's gonna sort of has a newfound nostalgia for all of this stuff, which makes me happy. I'm not sure all of this is going to fit in the garage, but it's going to have to. I had all of these. I had a lot of fun, like hanging up hooks, and this was the broom column. Finally had all my vices, clamps. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll go upstairs and take one last look at the ceiling in here. It sure smells good. I think I've probably said that before. And the chinking was a real pleasure. We got some more moss. And this isn't a joint in the log. This is a, where the log has dried and split over time. And these were sort of deep cracks that were filthy dirty. Very difficult to clean out, and was a home for bugs and dust collection. So we filled in those, which makes me feel really good. I think it looks good. Okay, these are the holes through the log for the power, where the power used to come in. Chink those. All right. I won't get a chance to look at this very easily this close again. I oiled the beams with linseed oil, which I think looks good and gives them a kind of a little bit of protection. Theoretically, it'd be easier to clean, I think. Run a rag over them. All right.